What a going goodies, welcome back to your girl channel. I don't know, today we're gonna make some tonka meal. Some people call it polenta, but whatever you call it, we're gonna make it today. All right, so here I have the cornmeal in some water and I'm soaking this just to make the cornmeal softened. I'm using the fine cornmeal. If you want it nice and smooth, you do it this way. I have some seasoning, some garlic powder, onion powder, some Maggi chicken seasoning, and some Cool Runnings all-purpose seasoning. I have a pumpkin beef dry soup mix. You can use the cup noodle of your choice. I'm using some green onions and I'm using my green seasoning cube. Check out the video on my channel for the green seasoning cube recipe and you can make that one. So goodies, here I have my Dutch pot with some water boiling and I'm just adding the noodle because you don't know you have to cook the noodle a little bit. Make it kind of cook and soften up before you add your cornmeal, because as soon as you add your cornmeal, everything is going to start thickening. Alright, so we're going to season up the pot as well. We're adding the seasoning, everything that we went over, the green onion, the green cube. As I'm saying, check out the video for the green cube recipe. And we're just going to leave this for it to boil down until the noodles are cooked. I did go in and I added some butter. This is optional. You can add a little bit of olive oil if you want to go a little healthier. And as you can see now, goodies, everything a boil. The noodle cooked, so I'm going to add the cornmeal. I'm going to spin this up and make sure it's nice and smooth. And then I'm going to turn down the stove. Make sure you turn on the stove, you know, goodies. Turn it down on medium low, because you want this to now steam and cook like when you cook your rice. But don't leave it on high because it will burn the cornmeal. Cover it down and leave it to steam. We're going to come back and check up. Okay, goodies, so now I'm checking back on my pot. It is not cooked yet, so I'm going to cover it and leave it. This is my second time checking up, goodies. So yes, it is now cooked. So I'm going to transfer this to my glass tray. So I leave it on the counter to cool after I transfer it to my glass tray. And when it is cool, you can just cut into it. Look at that goodness. Leave me a comment. Let me know what you think about the recipe. If you're new here, please subscribe to the channel. Like the video, share the video. Until next time, God bless you.